European Union Parliament House.
Like in every sense of the term?
No, the flag just looks like darker Luxembourg if you think about it.
European Union Parliament. Wow, nice. Wow, wow.